Hey guys, Farsh here with another crypto video. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the essential tools that every crypto investor has in their arsenal. So if you're just starting your crypto journey, this video is just for you. And if you've already been in crypto, I still recommend you stick around till the end of the video because some of the tools I'm going to show you are actually a bit under the radar and not many people know about them. So with all that being said, we have a lot to get through. Let's jump right into it. So the whole purpose of this video is to put together all the tools that I've managed to gather over the years that you need to start your crypto journey. What I would recommend, if you haven't already done so, watch my previous 2 videos on how to on-ramp your funds from a bank account onto an exchange and how to transfer or bridge those funds across different wallets and how to create a MetaMask wallet. I'll make sure to link those videos right here. And lastly, none of the tools I speak about in this video are sponsored by anyone. So I'm only showing you all the best tools I personally use every day in my crypto and research analysis. So the first tool I have for you is cryptobubbles.net. Again, I'll include all the links in the description. I only use this to just get an overall overview of the market. You can see daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly. It's just a very nice, easy way of visualizing everything. Now, the second tool I have for you is called Morales Money. Now, the good thing about Morales Money is that it already includes the crypto bubbles. So a lot of times I actually use this instead of crypto bubbles now. This is a new feature they added. Before they added the bubbles, I used to use crypto bubbles because I think they were the pioneers of this whole visualization. But now that Morales Money has included bubbles in their platform, I only use this now. Again, you can come to 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, and 1 year to kind of see the overview of the market. I actually use it mostly when I'm researching different coins, especially the newer ones, because I really like the security score that it has. It's a little bit more rigorous than some of the other tools that I'll show you later on in this video. For example, if I want to search a coin like GPU, it will show me Node AI. This is one of the coins that I'm actually personally invested in. And when I look at the security score here, 86. Now, a lot of times, if you look at some of the other tools like Dex Tools and Dex Screener, which we will talk about later, they might have a security score of 90 or 80, and Morales Money shows 10 or 20. And I personally prefer to be more conservative when it comes to security scores because a lot of times, a lot of projects could be rugs, and I don't know exactly what the algorithm behind Morales Money is, but I prefer their security system just from experience. And if you go further down, you can see their daily chart or weekly chart. You can see it's on a nice dip. Something else I can see here is the market cap, coin age, and also the number of holders. If I come further down, I can also see the market cap, $113 million market cap. Another thing you can do with Morales Money is to actually research coins that probably not under your radar at the moment. You can go Token Explorer. For example, if I want to see coins that have a security score of greater than 88, experienced net buyers increased by at least 100 in the last month, and say I want the category to be in the gaming. Now I can run this strategy, and now I've got 2 things that match those certain filters. It's just a way of actually finding coins that might not be on your radar. So that's Morales Money. The next tool I want to show you is CoinGecko. This is a must-have. When someone gives you a coin and you want to search it, that's probably the first place usually people look at, and that's personally where I look at immediately because you can almost find any data you need on CoinGecko. Now, there are some coins that are not available on CoinGecko. Then you need to go to other tools, which I'll show you shortly as well. But this is the first place I look at always. If someone gives me a coin, again, we'll look at GPU. The first thing you see is your price. You can see how much is down for the day. You can go to max to see the full performance of the coin since inception. You can even change from price to market cap. Then you can come down. The next thing I'll look at is the market cap and the fully diluted market cap. If you don't know the difference between them, don't worry. I'm going to make a full video just explaining what the differences between them are, what circulating supply means, and what vesting schedules mean exactly. But in this video, I'm just going to go through the tools you need to find this data. And if you go further down, you can find the contract. You can also find the website. You can find how much GPU you want to buy and gives you a USD value of how much it will cost. If you want to get in their Telegram, your Twitter, so all the official links are always here. For example, even if I'm on Twitter and someone posts a project and there is a link to their website, I never click that link. I look at the name, I come to CoinGecko, I search it, then I find the official links through this platform. Now, if you want to do more research, you can look at their white paper. The other thing CoinGecko is very good at is creating your own watch list. You need to start doing that as you research in different coins over time, because otherwise you will forget what coins you're looking at. And what I do is usually, if I like the look of a project, you need to actually be logged in and signed up in CoinGecko. It's free, it doesn't cost anything. And what I do is I add it to my portfolio. I basically create different watch lists. So if I do a new portfolio, I can call it AI coins. So all the AI projects that I'm looking at and I like them, I'll add them here. So I'll have them all in one place. So that's CoinGecko, very handy. You can also search coins by category. Say you're bullish on gaming, you can come down here and find gaming as a category, and you can kind of see what the top performers are, and you can see all the charts on top of each other. Moving on from CoinGecko, another very similar platform is CoinMarketCap. People use both in different ways. I find CoinGecko has more of the smaller coins. In terms of the bigger coins, both are very equal and they both seem to give you the same information. Sometimes if you can't find something on CoinMarketCap, then you go to CoinGecko, and if you can't find it on CoinGecko, you might find it on CoinMarketCap. You can also actually change this to the night mode, which I prefer. You can see the fear grid index, but I'll show you another tool that actually you can find that same information. I prefer it there. You can also have watch lists again, like you can have in CoinGecko, and say I want to add Bitcoin to my watch list. I go to Bitcoin, I can have started up here. Now it gets added to my watch list, and I can create different watch lists with different names, AI, gaming, and same as CoinGecko, you can look at all-time performance of the coin, total supply, fully diluted market cap. You can see the official links here. This is the most important thing when you use CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, is you get access to the official links. And one thing I didn't mention with CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, and I'm sure you have this question, especially if you're newer, is someone tells you to buy Pixel because it's an amazing game and you should definitely invest in it. Now, I'm only giving you this as an example. Your first question usually is, well, I want to buy it, but how do I buy it? Or where do I buy it? Now, the first thing you do is you come to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, and once you go in here and you type in pixels, come up here in the markets. Here it shows you where you can actually buy Pixel. So Pixel USDT is available on Gate.io, Binance, Mexi, BinJex, BitGet, Wallbit, KuCoin, Binance, and it actually tell you if it's a centralized exchange, which is SEX, and if it's a decentralized exchange, that's a DEX. As I can see, it's mostly only available on centralized exchanges. Going back to CoinMarketCap, same thing as CoinGecko here. You can go to markets and you can see where Bitcoin is available to be purchased. So that's CoinMarketCap. So the next thing I want to speak about is mostly to do with coins that are not yet listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. And that's usually the smaller coins. That's where a lot of the opportunity lies if you're trying to get into the smaller coins where people talk about in crypto about 100x's and 1000x's. To find those coins, unfortunately, they're not yet listed on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. In that scenario, the tools you need are DEX Screener and DEX Tools. Now, they are very similar in many ways. I prefer to use DEX Screener. However, I like DEX Tools on my phone. It's like comparing CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Now, if you want to find a coin here, for example, I want to look at a meme coin called Tuka, and that's a Tuka Carlson. So a lot of these meme coins on Solana, this is where you find them early on. First thing I can see is it shows me the chart, and I can also add it to my watch list. Most importantly, I can actually find the contract address, which is right here. Tuka, that's the contract. So I can copy that. Then I can go to Radium in Solana, or if it's Ethereum, I can go to Uniswap and paste that contract onto the exchange so I can purchase it. So this is where I come to actually look at these projects early on. If I go further down, I can go to the website, I can go to the Twitter. Again, official links. This is so important in crypto. Do not click on any links you don't recognize. And if you go further down, you can actually see if it's getting bought up, if it's getting sold, what the sentiment is. So that's DEX Screener. So this is very important to add to your list of tools to use. And some people are talking about, oh, the new coins on Base chain. So for that, use DEX Screener. You come down here, you go to Base. You can see some of the top performing coins on Base. This is how you do your research. So that's DEX Screener. Next thing is DEX Tools. Again, it's very similar to DEX Screener in terms of use. You can see it's very similar, and you can also find the contract again here and look at the official links. You can see the website, the Twitter. So that's DEX Tools, very similar to DEX Screener. So the next tool I have for you, it's called Chain Broker. With Chain Broker, this is the main page. First thing you can have a look at is the total market cap of the market, the trading volume, total value locked. You can see Bitcoin and Ethereum price. You can also have a look at the fear grid index. You can see some of the trending coins. It's just a lot of helpful information you can find here. One of the best ones is also the crypto dominance. So you can actually see the Bitcoin dominance, 44%. Not only that, you can also see the fundraisers. I use this to find a lot of VCs, their investments, also see the projects and what they're backed by. So for example, if I search for GameSwift here, one of the things I really like in this platform is not only I get the official links and the contract address, I can actually have a look at the fully diluted market cap, but I can also see the initial market cap, as in the market cap the token was launched with. So the earliest investors actually bought this at $767,000 market cap, and now it's sitting at a market cap of $17 million, and that's not fully diluted. Fully diluted is $400 million. So that's at multiple X's. This makes me be a bit more cautious when I'm about to invest in a project. But then I can go even further into it. If I go further down, firstly, I can see how much of it is in circulation. It's not a lot. A lot more actually getting unlocked. You can only imagine the early investors, they're up by a lot. So it's only fair enough to think they will be selling. So the next thing I want to look at is, okay, when are they going to be unlocked? If I go down here, I will come back to a lot of these information up here later. You can see the vesting schedule. So we're currently in May 2024. Pretty much it's a very slow, steady release. The main unlocks are going to start from July 2024. Only in a few months from now, it's really going to start ramping up and we're going to start getting a lot of unlocks. So this makes me not that attracted to this project. A lot of people say fully diluted market cap is a lull. They can be correct, but they can be correct when you're early on here, not if you're getting close to these unlocks, because this is going to massively affect the price. So if I go further down, so this is a very important information to get here. You can kind of see the distribution chart. You can see the different vesting descriptions. So seed round, private round, public round. If it has the information, it will include how much it was sold at. You can kind of see the future unlocks. So the next one will be April 21, which we just had. The next one will be May 21. So every month you can see 4% gets unlocked, but from July, it's going to start ramping up. It's going to be 7%. The next thing you can also look at in here is Twitter score, like how active these people are. You can see the top Twitter followers. Another one you can have a look at, which is very important, is the backers. So who's actually invested in this project? If I see Coinbase Ventures, that's a big behemoth of an investor. If I see Animoca Brands in a gaming project, that's a tick for me. Another really good feature that this tool has, say I am really bullish about Polygon Studios. I can actually go to Polygon Studios and look at their investments and work backwards, which means I can see some of their investments and have a look at their return on investments. So kind of see their track records. Have they been doing well with their investments? GameSwift is one of their best ones. They got a 13x on their investment, for example. You can also actually have a look at some of the recent investments. So what are they investing in next? And this is how you might find the real gem that, you know, not many people know about. So very, very useful tool to have. And you can do a lot more with this. You can have a look at funds. You can look at categories, and you can get very creative is what I'm trying to say. So Chainbroker, a very good tool to have. Now, the next tool I wanted to talk about is DropsTab. Now, DropsTab is something I use specifically to track my portfolio. I find it to be the best. Again, you can use this to see the Fear Greed Index, BTC Dominance, S&P 500. You know, I really like it. It's a very nice, intuitive platform. You can see the top gainers. You can see potential airdrops. So, you know, once I bring these tools to you, I think you will get creative. You'll end up finding your own way of using them. I'm not going to spend much time on DropsTab. I'm just going to include the link in the description. The next tool you need to have is TradingView. TradingView is a must-have if you don't know already. This is how you will start learning how to analyze charts. You don't need to pay for the top subscription. Even if you have the free one and you just start playing around, it's very important to have so you can actually see what the market's doing and you can start to get used to reading charts. Because the charts you look at on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, they can only go so far. You can actually link it to your broker and trade stocks if you want, but having TradingView is a must. Again, I'll include the link in the description if you're new. And lastly, Bybit is my favorite exchange when it comes to trading. So if you're planning to do any trading, leverage, Bybit is the go-to platform. So I really hope you found this video valuable. If you're ready to invest in crypto, I highly recommend you watch my previous videos on how to transfer funds from a bank account onto an exchange and how to create your own MetaMask. And I've also done a video analyzing Bitcoin and the state of the market, and hopefully that can help you make an informed decision if now is a good time to start investing in crypto. And if there are any tools that I've missed that you think I should add to my radar that you actually use daily in your crypto investment, feel free to comment it below, because I'm trying to create a community that I can also learn from as much as you learn from me. And finally, like, share, and subscribe and help me on my road to 1,000 followers. With that being said, see you next time.